Okay, when you start trimming or cutting out your graphics, you want to get a decent razor blade knife. You can actually use a little X-Acto knife like this if you want it, but I just find, it's a little bit better with something like this. Just make sure you get a nice sharp fresh blade, and you start at one corner, and once you find that corner you can just slide it down. And again, don't worry about cutting outside the lines or even inside the lines a little bit, because we have plenty of room. So now we're going to take over in this corner. I'm just going to start around this edge so I can cut it out. There we go. See, this is starting to come up. Let's see if I can. Okay, come around. Yeah, I've done this so many times I can usually cut a better straight line than that, but it is not bad. And there we go. We have one side cut out. So we want to go ahead and do it for the next side, and then we'll come back and do the front ones here a little bit.